Good afternoon. I'm here to tell you about the Wunderbar. I've had a lot of people asking me to give a little tutorial on how it works, and so I've decided that this morning that is what I will do. I'm not really good at this kind of thing, so just bear with me. First thing I'm going to do is take off my glasses because of the light ring, but I'm blind without them, so bear with me. Like, seriously blind. Okay, first of all, let me thank all of you for buying a Wunderbar, and those of you who have not, you need to get on the action. I'm going to run the special for the next 2 weeks for everybody in the group. It's a huge discount, so jump on it while you can. We'll get started. Top button. Turn it on. When you receive your Wunderbar in the mail, please plug it in and let it charge for 24 hours. Only the first charge takes that long. After it's been charged up after the first time, it's maybe 30 minutes and you're fine. So, and it runs for days and days and days. So, top button is not only the power button, it is also the cleanse button, which is the button that you're going to use for any kind of cleanser that you're using. I honestly, truthfully, use soap. I know, but I do. Anyway, this is a galvanic setting, and if you press it once, it is regular cleanse. If you press it twice, right side, left side is twice. That's the deep cleanser. That's the one that I use. You just put your cleanser on your face, round and around and around. See the bar? That's why it's called the Wunderbar. Get it? This bar that runs around, this creates the current. So you have to have a finger on each side of the bar and this on your face to create the current. So be aware of that. I don't care if you hold it up here, down here, up here. It doesn't matter. Just make sure you've got your fingers on the bar while you're using it. You can hold it up to your ear and you can hear it. This setting is like a buzz with a little ding to it. And you can go on my website and read up all about the different settings that all have different currents, and it'll tell you all about that. Anyway, cleanse, 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 cleanse. It runs for about 5 minutes. You turn it off, rinse your face, pat it dry, then do all of your extractions. If you have any kind of blackheads, pimples, oil pockets, just cleaning your pores out. Once you're done with that, again, rinse, pat dry, and you're ready for setting number 2, which is the nutrition setting. The nutrition setting is the ultrasonic setting. So if you press it once, you get the low setting. You press it twice. Did it turn off on me? Yes, it did. I told you I'm blind. So I'm going to go to the high nutrition plus. This is the setting that will make your creams and lotions and serums go down deep into the dermis. So when you see people on YouTube or on TV and they're applying their little stuff and they're tapping, that's what they're trying to do. They're tapping it into the skin. This takes the place of that and gets it farther down into the dermis so that it actually works. The Wunderbar will work with pretty much any lotion or cream or serum that you have. I use Olay products. They're inexpensive and they work. Micro sculpting. I just got these last night and tried them for the first time, and I can't see, but this one is collagen and this one is retinol. And holy schmoly, boy, do they work. My skin's so soft this morning, it's crazy. But anyway, I put it on the nutrition setting. I put the cream on my face, made sure my fingers were here, and then just up, up, up and out on the jawline, always up and out, up and out, up, 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 up. Everywhere you got it, just up, up. You can do your eyes. I like to do my eyes. Anyway, so this pushes that product, whether it be vitamin C, vitamin D, any kind of retinol, any product you're using, into your skin. It gets a little warm. It's not hot, but it's warm. I have used it with vitamin D oil. I have used it with vitamin C that was kind of oily. All were fine for me, but if you have sensitive skin and you're going to use it with an oil-based product, please just check it out a little bit on a small space. Heat and oil. Just want to make sure that you don't get a little bit of a burn there. But it's totally up to you. It's safe to use. Just make sure that it's safe with your individual product. We're going to move down to the number 3 setting, my favorite setting, red light. If you press it once, you'll get red light to yellow light. It's a 5-minute setting. You can read all about red light therapy, yellow light therapy. NASA even has it on their website. They've been using red light forever with NASA. All of the settings, by the way, on the Wunderbar are FDA approved, so you don't have to worry about that either. The red light, even though it's a 5-minute setting, you can use it for 5 minutes a day. You can use it for an hour and a half a day. It doesn't matter. I keep mine in my car, and I drive, and I just put it on my jowl. And then when the 5 minutes is up, I turn it on and do the other side. And then when that 5 minutes is up, I do my cheek. And then that 5 minutes is up, I do my neck. The red light can be used as long as you want to use it. It won't hurt you, and it does amazing things. It is really good as far as fine lines and wrinkles, tightening up your pores, tightening up your skin. It's good for age spots. There's numerous other things that we don't have time to go into in this video, which I'll go into later. Maybe we'll just do one setting at a time next time. But you can also go to the NASA website and read up on it. You can go to my website and read up on it. It's just too good to be true almost. If you hit that button again, second one is blue to green. The blue light has really high antibacterial properties. This wavelength is really good for acne, rosacea, any kind of antibacterial that you want. And it's the same thing. You just put it on your skin. You've got a breakout. You can put it right here. You can put it on your nose. This does come with a set of goggles. If you're going to have it near your eyes, you might want to wear the goggles. If you're using it down here, you don't really have to worry about it. The lights can be used on your arms. They can be used on your hands. They can be used on your thighs. I love the red light on my thighs. My arms are starting to kind of crepe up a little bit, so I've been using it there. Slowly but surely, they seem like they're getting better, so I'm happy about that. So anyway, that's the light setting. That's the third button. The last button is the microcurrent setting. This is a little longer timer. This is a 15-minute timer. You might be able to hear that one. This is a really strong buzzing, and you can feel it. The machine is actually really buzzing. Microcurrent. With this one, you're going to need either KY jelly, the water-based kind, aloe vera gel that doesn't have any other additives. Make sure that it's 100% aloe vera, no colorings or fragrances or any of that kind of thing. Or you can go on Amazon and you can get ultrasound gel relatively inexpensively. That also is a really good conductor of microcurrent. To use the microcurrent setting, you need to have a conductor. So those are my three. Just go to Walmart and get some KY jelly. If it starts drying out, either pat it with some water and make it work more, or put a little extra on. You need to have the wet for this. Fingers on the bar, and you just up, 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 always in an upward motion. The microcurrent setting exercises the muscles underneath your skin. When you get it close to your eyes, you may see some flashing lights. That's normal. Don't freak out. I use it all the way up into my hairline, and I'll stop it. I'll pull up my eyelid. Oh, I don't have any conductor on. You can really feel it. Anyway, up here, you can feel it. And I'll push my cheeks up, and let it sit around my mouth. I do this. I'll start on my lip, because you know how you start. This is where everything kind of just falls. So I start on my lip and I'll push my nose up. I'll go up and pull it between my eyes. Pull it out like this. Out, out, up. I do the back of my ears. Your ears control what? Your neck. So I do this. I do this. Up, up, up. You can use this, the microcurrent, on your chest. You can use it on your arms as well. This has a 15-minute setting. I recommend you use it for the full 15 minutes. I use the microcurrent setting every other day. It's like exercising. You want to let the muscles rest in between. You don't want to overdo them. So that's every other day. Like I said, KY jelly, aloe vera gel, as long as it's pure. Ultrasound gel is fine. That's the only ones I can think of right off the top of my head anyway. So that's exercise. It's like face yoga without the yoga. So I do that every other day. The light setting, as I said, you don't need any kind of conductor gel or anything on that. It's just turn it on and use it. You're good. You're good to go. We're going back up to the second one, which is the ultrasonic setting, which is the nutrition setting. Any cream, any lotion, any serum, anything that you want in your skin, that's the second setting. Galvanic is the cleansing setting. That's the #1 setting that's on the top. I only do that about once every 2 weeks. I use mineral-based makeup, and so I really don't have any kind of breakouts or any of that kind of stuff, and my pores stay relatively clean. But once in a while, you want to do it, you know, about once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks. I really don't use it once a week. It just cleans everything out and gives you a fresh start, makes your face feel nice and smooth. If you have any questions that I haven't answered, you are welcome to go to my website, which is embeautyinside.com, and you can read up on all of the settings there. I will tell you this, again, every setting is FDA approved. These devices are actually used in salons by a lot of estheticians. A lot of my clients are estheticians, and they give facials with these in their salons. So all of the settings are salon quality. This is not a toy. It's a real deal. I'll just say that. I'm 64. This is me with no makeup, and no, I've not had fillers. I've not had any kind of plastic surgery. I have had cancer and weight up and down, and you know, makes your skin loose, and I just am telling you, this works. It tightens your skin. It makes you look younger. Are you going to look like you had surgery? No, you're not going to look like you had surgery. But if you're like me and you really don't like needles and cutting and all that stuff, this is the way to go. Like I said before, I'm going to run the special for this group for another 2 weeks. It's like $150 savings. But I think you guys are going to love it and give it a try. If you have questions, you can go to my Facebook page, which is 2D Rawlings Mitchell, and send me a message, and I'll get back to you. And hopefully everybody's going to have a great Mother's Day and come out on the other end looking absolutely beautiful. Everybody take care. Bye-bye.